of experience. Currently I'm working. Okay. This completely the course is what manual. Okay. It's a fast track, like 20 classes will be there, more than 20, like 20 to 25. Okay. But maximum we will cover within the 20 classes. We cover all the things. Okay. I involved in both like manual and automation part. I have both experience in manual as well as automation, and we are using with Selenium. What we can say that IntelliJ, we were using with the IntelliJ with the Selenium. I have good experience in both like manual and automation. Okay, this is from my side. Um, so can you introduce like anyone tell me what is the differences like manual testing and automation testing? Anyone? Anybody? See guys, this is completely interaction session. It's not like a trainer and the students. Don't treat like that. It's a completely interaction sessions. We are concentrated only in manual, how we can get into the job. Okay, it's a completely a real time, like we will cover each and every point in the real time point of view. Most of the people are thinking that if we go there is no manual openings. They are saying that there is no manual openings. No, there are a lot of manual openings will be there, but I agree you need have the Selenium knowledge also. Not only Selenium, automation knowledge is little bit required. Okay. uh, Now coming in the technologies, what is the fastest job you can get it in the market? You cannot go with as a developer now, because you need to spend at least 6 months or 3 months or 4 months. Dedicatedly you need to spend some time to get into the IT field. But what is the easiest way? I'm not saying that it's the easiest way, but you here also you need to put a lot of efforts. But you can easily get into the job within 1 or 2 months. I can say that 1 or 2 3 months you can easily get into the job. That's what manual thing. Okay. Manual testing is not required any coding knowledge, not at all required any coding knowledge. You just check with the requirements. You need to check with the requirements, and you need to check whether the application is working according to the client requirements or not. If you put all your efforts like 1 or 2 months, you can easily get into the job. You can easily get into the job. But what are the requirements you need to do? Communication is very very important. Make sure your communication is very very important. And communication is very very important. I told you, right? Communication is very very important. The second thing is what, how you so you can go with 3 to 4 years of experience or 2 years of experience. They will check your what we can confidence level. Okay, whether you do or not, that secondary part. They will check your confidence level. So confidence level and your communication, these two are very 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 important. Quickly and fastly you want to settle in software side, irrespective to any platform, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, computer engineer, like anything, you can get into the job easily into the testing field. Okay. Not easily, but you I told you, right? But within 1 or 2 3 months you can get into the job. If you want to go for a new latest technology, you need to spend like most of the time like 1 or 2 3 months. Then only you can go with the development side. Okay. And slowly you can switch to manual too. You can go to the automation, then you can start APIs. Now I'm telling you your career growth after manual. What is my career growth? So no one will stand with only manual. There are a lot of plenty openings with manual, with SAP testing, database testing, with the testing with any product in the market. Now see, cloud technology, Azure testers is required, AWS testers is required, GCP. What is called GCP, guys? Anybody know what is GCP? Google Cloud Computer. Okay, so Google Cloud also it's required the testing. Networking side, if you want to go for a networking side, you can go for the networking testing. Any field you can switch easily. Easily you can switch. Understanding, right? Guys, can you put mute? Can you put mute? Okay, thank you. Still not getting.
Any
I'm forcefully
disturbance?
doing. Yeah, yeah. Can you put mute?
I'm
Change.
muted.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Someone other. Okay, I'm sorry. I forcefully muted. I'm really sorry. Okay. In the real time also they will put like this only. If you are not unable to hear the host person, they will put mute forcefully. Okay, that's fine. So that is what I'm telling is start not only see not only joining in the manual. What is your career path? That is also is very very important. After manual, what is my career path? After manual, you need to immediately start automation. Once you're done with automation, CoJava is very very important nowadays. CoJava is very very important. Java basis is very very important. After the Java, you can start with the API based on your interest. You want to go with performance side, you can go with the performance side. If you are interested in security side, like security penetration testing, hacking, any field you can switch, any field you can switch easily. But basic is what manual testing is required. Most of the people are say that there are no openings in the manual, not required, only 2 days we can complete the manual. That's not, it's not possible. You need to know agile methodology, you know, a Jira, like how we can track the issues and how we need to post the issues. You need to know what is functional testing, and you need to know what is non-functionality testing, and what is like unit testing, what is called unit testing, and what is integration testing. And at least you need to know the basic. Blindly you cannot attend the interviews. That is what I'm telling. At least you need to know what is testing, how you will do the testing, and what types of testings are there, in how many ways I can test the application, what is environment, what is QA environment, what is the production environment, what is test environment, what is development environment, what is agile methodology, how project will comes, and how the requirements we need to go. You need to learn all the things, then only you can survey in the. Once you get into the manual, suppose you got a job, at least you need to serve in that job. Understanding, right? Requirement documents, what are the requirement documents, how we will test that application, that you need to require. So how to write the test cases, that is very very important. What is test cases, how you will write the test cases. So how you report the issue, you got an issue, you find the issue, how you report that issue. These all are very 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 important. Understanding, right? So don't think that manual it is, don't take light. Okay, but easily I'm telling, right, within 2 to 3 months you get into the job. What is required? Your communication is required. Communication is very very important. They will ask you the first question, can you introduce yourself? The first question of your interview is what? Can you introduce yourself? The first question. Understanding, right? The first question is what? Can you introduce yourself? Can you please tell me what is your roles and responsibilities? Can you please tell me what is your roles and responsibilities? After that they will go to the subject. They won't go directly to the subject, what is testing. They won't go like that. Understanding, right? They will ask you, can you introduce yourself? Can you tell me what is your roles and responsibilities? Can you tell me what is your project? They will ask you these questions. So you are need to good in that area, then easily you can attend the interviews. Okay, are you able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
good. Yeah, good sign. Okay, now before going to the software, okay, what is software? What is software, guys? Software is nothing but, it is nothing but an automation. Like, say, what is, why we can call it as automation, we'll see. Software, what is software? Software is a collection of programs. Take any software, it is a collection of programs. It will take the input from the user and it will do the process, and finally it will give what? Output. Take Gmail, what you are doing? You are writing any code? No, I'm not writing any code. You are not writing any code. What you are doing in Gmail? Just you are sign up, and based on the sign up, you're doing sign in. Sign up, sign in. Sign up means what? You are giving completely your details. That details will store into the database and it will authenticate whether you are valid user or not. And after that sign in, it is validating based on your user credentials. It validate whether you are valid user or not. If you are valid user, the Gmail will be works. Understanding, right? So uh, if you want to create a Gmail like that kind of software, what is required? A software is a collection of programs. It is a collection of programs where it will takes input from the user. It is taking the inputs. What are the inputs you are giving? Valid username, valid password, that is what inputs. And it will do some process. We don't know what exactly what process it will do, but in backend they will authenticate, like whether you are valid user or not. It will check. Suppose if you are valid user, then immediately it will give the right output. Right output means you can able to access the Gmail page. Understanding, right? So the software is nothing but it's a collection of programs. It is the collection of programs where it takes input from the user. It takes the input from the user and it will do some process. Finally it will give what? Output. Finally it will give what? Output. As a tester, what is my job? As a tester, what is my job? I need not check code. Not required. We are not never see the code. We are happy path. We never see the code. But as a tester, what I need to check? Output. Output, whether you are getting correct output or not, you need to check. What you need to check, guys? I never check the code. Not required. We never see the code also. We need to check what? Output, whether you are getting correct output or not. Okay. Is it clear, guys? What is software? Software is nothing but it is a collection of programs. It will take input from the user and it will do some process. Finally it will give what? Output. That output we need to check whether we are getting the correct output or not. Okay. And coming to the drawbacks of manual process and automation, like right, drawbacks of manual process is what? Time taken. Okay, you want to test entire the application. They ask you to test Amazon application. Most of the people are say that 5 minutes. Never say 5 minutes. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Most of the people, they never see also. They will say that, oh, this is 5 minutes. You, if you concentrate on this one, you will get lot of things you will get it. Okay, you need to check those buttons, you need to check this drop down search button, you need to check each and everything in this application. It will take a lot of time. Okay, and you need to check so in the requirement document they will say that if you click today deals, what page should become? Today deals page should become. If you click the today deals page, what page you are getting? Today deals page is getting. So it is working what? As expected. Suppose you are clicking today deals, you are not getting today deals, you are getting some other different page, then is what? It's a bug. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Testing is very easy. Understanding, right? You need to check with the requirement. What is your output? You are expecting output is what? If you click today deals, what page should become? What page should become? Today deals page should become. If you click today deals, what page should become? Today deals page should become. Suppose you are getting a different other page, then it's a bug. No need to ask anybody whether it is bug or not. Understanding, right? So testing is very easy. But drawbacks, we are talking about the drawbacks, right? It was time taken, because you cannot say that within 5 minutes I will give the output. You cannot say like that, because you need to check today deals whether you are getting correct output or not. You need to check all the details. Okay. And it is a time taken. When you're talking about automation, automation means what? It will reduce the time. Yes, I will write the script. If you write the some script means if you run that script, automatically it will run all the things. Okay, it will save the cost. Okay, but what is the main difference between manual testing and automation testing? Interview question. Okay, they will ask you the first question, what is the differences between? If you are going with the fresher level, that definitely they will ask you what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. What is manual testing? Just now we discussed, right? What is the manual testing? The manual test, the manual test cases are executed without supporting from support from tools or a script. See, while I'm doing manual testing, I'm not using any scripts or any tools. That kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. See, now I'm doing what? Manual testing. Open the Chrome browser and entering the website amazon.in. So this what? I'm not using any tools, I'm not using any scripts. This kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. What is this kind of testing? Manual testing. I'm not using any tools, I'm not using any tools. What is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? Most of the people, they ask me, could you please tell me automation, could you please tell me Selenium? Both are the same only, but he doesn't know what is automation exactly. Automation means what? Automation means what? They are executed with the support of tools or scripts and the software. But with the automation testing, the test cases are executed with the assistance of the tool or a script and software. Okay, if you want to execute the some scripts and run with the test, means you need to use what? Automation. Okay, so the difference between manual testing and automation: manual means without using any tools or a script, we can run the application, we can test the application. Okay, automation means what? We need to use some tools and scripts. We need to use what? Some tools and scripts. See, now I want to automate something, I required Eclipse to write the script, I need to write the script, I need to launch the browser. So I'm using what? Some tools here. From automation, I'm using what? Some tools. So the first interview question might be, they will ask you, what is the differences between manual testing and automation testing? So in automation testing means what? You need to check with them, you need to work with the, what we can say, that the tools and the scripts. Then that kind of testing, we can call it as what? Automation testing. Very easy, guys. Manual means, remember only one thing: without tools, without script, that kind of testing manually we are doing, that kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. When you're talking about automation testing, see, I'm writing some scripts here. Okay, see, I'm writing some script. This is what? Automation. I'm writing what? Some scripts. Okay, I'm executing, I'm creating some programs here. Okay, I'm writing some scripts here. So based on the script, the program will be executed. So here I need to write some script. I want to launch Chrome browser. Okay, don't panic. Okay, don't worry, it's very easy. Okay, so we need to write some script here. We need to write some script here. Based on the script, it will be executed. It will be executed. Understanding, right? So the main differences between manual testing and automation testing: automation means nothing. We need to use some tools, and we need to use some scripts or some softwares. Okay, so this kind of testing, we can call it as what? Automation testing. Okay, is it clear, guys? Any questions so far? Anybody? Please free to ask the question, guys. This is completely interaction sessions. It's not be like only one to one. Okay, just you can ask any question. Okay, is it clear, guys, so far?
Sir?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Srini, don't call the sir, it's Srini. You can call with the name. Yeah,
Okay,
Srini.
Srini. See, means script means like you mean SQL script, or is it a JavaScript or something?
It's a Java related script. SQL is completely, SQL comes on database.
Okay.
Database, that will comes on database related things. Okay, that's the again backend, that we can call it as backend. What is front end? The application with the ASP.NET. What is backend? That they will ask you that question also. What is using front end? What is you are using backend? Backend means we are using Oracle, SQL. So that scripting is completely a different. This scripting, some scripting languages will be there now. See, you can write a lot of scripting languages is available in the market now. So most of the organization, they will tell you what language we need to use. You need to work with that. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. See, once you get into, I'm as a real person, I'm telling, in the real experience, I'm telling, once you get into the job, they will give you KT. What is called KT?
Yeah, it is called knowledge transfer.
Yes, absolutely. They will provide a knowledge transfer. They will say that, hey, we are using this kind of scripting language. You can work with this one. So they will give you training. They will give you providing training means what? They will provide the complete documentation, how we need to build the framework, how we need to write the classes and each and everything. But you need to understand the flow. You need to understand the framework, and you need to continue with that. Understanding, right? They won't give you immediately to do the task. Day one only they won't give. Suppose you got a job tomorrow, they won't ask you write a code tomorrow itself. There are a lot of time will be there. They will give you KT. Katie, they will explain you what the functionality, what the framework they're using, what script they're using. They will explain you each and everything. Okay, but you need have some basic knowledge. If you have the basic knowledge on that, you can easily work on that. Banu, right? Yeah, is it clear, Banu? Okay, is it clear? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, good. Now coming to testing. What is testing? The main important question. Most of the people say that what is testing means simply they say that finding the bugs. That's a wrong thing. Don't say, if anyone asks you what is testing means, a simple answer they will give you, finding the bugs. No, I'm not agree with that. Not only finding the bugs. What is testing means what? Quality. We need to give what? Quality of application. Most of the people are saying finding the bugs cannot find only by testers. The bugs can find the client also, the bugs can find the development team also, bugs can also find by the end users also, end users who are using the application. That person we can call it as a end users. Okay, don't say that testing is only for finding the bugs. No, it's not be the correct definition. It's not be a correct definition. Okay, what is the correct definition of testing? The tested developed application, any developed application, take any developed application. Suppose we can take Durga software application. Durga is made one application with the Java application is development team is done, then they will give you a testing for testing team. So what we need to do now, we need to check our job is what we need to do here. We need to check whether it is working according to the client requirement or not. Who is the client? Durga is the client. Now Durga wants some forms, like who is the student number and who is registered in online classes. He wants some software, so he builds some software by using of Java. After the completion of the software, it will comes to the testing phase. Now the application is coming to where? In the testing phase. What tester will need to do now? What tester need to do? We need to check whether this application is working according to the client requirements or not. Who is the client here? The Durga is the client. Understanding, right? Like there are many clients will be there, like there are number of clients will be there. They have their own products. They build that application, they design that software, they build that software. Once that software is done, then it will comes to the testing phase. Okay, as a tester, what is your job? You need to check whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. They will provide the requirements. You need to check whether this application is working according to the client requirements or not. See, our job is very easy, but what is the toughest point here? What is the toughest point here? Anybody? What is the toughest point here to test the application? Anybody? What is the toughest point to verify that application? First of all, you need to understand.
Ini,
Yeah,
I'm
go
not
ahead.
able to hear your voice.
What about others? Others can hear
I
me.
can hear. I can
Yeah,
hear.
I can
I
hear
think
you. I'm
yeah,
audible.
yeah,
It is
Banu,
very
there is a problem. Is it very low? For what about others?
Actually, it's
It's
slow.
clear.
We have to
You're
use
audible,
headphones.
sir.
Okay, thank you,
Actually,
yaar.
problem faced them login to mobile, sir.
Even now also it's not
Uh,
audible.
no, yeah, you are logging with. That's a good question. Yeah, someone is. Yeah, you are logging with mobile or you are logging with.
Sorry?
You are logging with mobile
Yeah,
data.
I have logged in my mobile.
Oh, that's the problem. Yeah.
Your
Okay.
voice is not coming, sir.
Okay. Let me check. Thank you, guys. I think remaining someone areas network problem. Yeah, might be. What about now? Can you hear me now? Is it
Audible.
clear
No,
now?
no, it's not. It was loud before, but now it is not loud.
Mm,
If we change it to
It was
100,
loud,
okay.
sir. It was okay. It was normal. That
It's
might be
normal,
their
right?
network
Okay.
issue. Yes, it's normal.
Yeah, might be. Yeah, might be.
Should use a
Uh,
headphone
I
for that.
yeah. I can no, okay, Banu, let it the session will go, and once you get the recording session you can go with that, otherwise you can try with this one. Okay. Okay, that's fine, guys. I'm really sorry. From my end, it's fine. I don't know. Only for her, it is audio problem. Remaining all are fine. I think so. Okay, that's kind. That's okay. Thank you.
Why
Sorry.
can't we choose other platform like Zoom or something, sir?
Yeah, we can do that, but we need to talk with again
Hello?
Durga. Yeah, can you hear me, Banu now?
Now it is very low, Srini. It's very low, Srini.
That is
Okay,
what
what I do,
everyone is.
I just leave the trading and I'll just connect it again.
Yeah, yeah. Do that one. That's
I'll
a
do
great
that.
idea.
I'll do that.
Yeah, it's
Just
a
a
great
minute.
idea. Do that. Do that one. Okay. Someone is asking some question, right? Why can't we go with the Zoom? Right, right. We can go with Zoom. No, sir, your voice is coming clearly. Okay, that's fine. Zoom is what again commercial. Again, the commercial tool they need to buy and all the things. Okay, okay, guys, we will talk later that all the things. Okay, so what is testing, guys? You need to check with this one. This is very, very important. What is testing definition? You need to say that the tested developed application, any developed application, whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. You need to check only one thing. What is the toughest point is what here? Understanding the requirements. Understanding the requirement. Suppose I given a task to you guys, from go to from here to anywhere, some I'm giving some task. Who will do the fast? Who are understand the task, like who are understand the requirements, then you can there can do easily, right? So here in the testing, what is the difficult point, what is the toughest point is what, understanding the requirements. You need to understand the requirements part is very, very, very important. First of all, you need to concentrate on where in the requirements. They will provide the requirement, they will give you more points. First you need to read that points. You need to understand the description part. Developer will give you description part, what we need to test. Acceptance criteria, they will provide what acceptance criteria. So suppose they will give you a task, verify the today deals. Okay, they will this is what task. In the task they will give you some descriptions, what we need to test, value should be come here. They will give some points, you need to understand that points, and you need to thoroughly you need to go with the description part. In case if you are not able to understand, or in case you are not get the point, you need to immediately you need to ask to whom? Your lead or your buddy means what? Your colleague. Okay, your friend, your colleague, your friend, or you need to ask your lead. Suppose sometimes lead is also not have that idea, then we need to talk with whom? To the development team. Understanding, right? What is the challenging thing to test the application? To you need to understand the requirements clearly. If you are not understanding the requirements clearly, you cannot test that application. Are you agree with me or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
because most of the people they will tell you in on the classes, offline classes, they will tell you what is testing, what is white box testing. No, we don't want that knowledge. We want practical knowledge. So simple way I'm telling, if they will give you requirements 100%, without requirements we cannot test. There is another concept, ad hoc testing, and we will discuss. But they will provide the requirement document. You need to follow the requirement document. You need to check whether you are getting correct output or not. If you get correct output, the application is working as intended. Intended means what? It is working as expected. If application is not working, means there is something bug in the application. If whether it is any device, mobile application or network application or a cloud application or a SAP application, the same concept, it won't change. For mobile testing there is another concept, web application there is another concept. No, for everywhere mobile application testing also they will provide the requirement. They will ask to install the app. You need to install that app. You need to check whether the app is installing correctly or not. You need to check whether the app is correctly installing, means that is working as intended. Intended means what? It is working as expected. Are you getting right what I'm trying to say? So understanding the requirements is very, very important. First of all, testing. Before you going to the testing, you need to understand the so they will provide the requirements. You need to read the requirements. You need to understand the requirements. Why they're asking the communication? Communication means what? You need to speak, you need to talk, you need to bring the discussions. Most of the people I saw, knowledge is good, 90 marks, 99 marks, 98 marks, percentage is too good, but they never talk. You need to speak, you need to tell your opinion, you need to tell your thought, you need to tell your what you're thinking, what you are observing that issue. You need to speak, you need to talk, you need to bring up to the team. Most of the people, why should I need to bring I will sit quiet for a while. If you do like that, we cannot bring the issue, right? Tomorrow the client will find the same issue, then you will realize, oh, on the day I thought but I had not expressed, but today client is giving the same issue. So the communication is very, very important. The communication is nothing but it's not in English. You can talk with your mother language or Telugu or Hindi or whatever it may be, but other person can understand, right? So the common language is what? English. So you can tell normal English. While today while working I observe this issue, take a screenshot and write the steps, and you need to report to the development team. Most of the people are not do this one. They're waiting for someone else. Hey, Karthik will come, Karthik will tell. Who is Karthik? Karthik will not be stay with you long. Your colleague will not be stay long. Once he get a good opportunity, he also go for other company. You also get a good opportunity, you will also go for the other company, right? No one will be permanent here. So do not depend on anybody. What is that? What is my intention is what? Do not depend on anybody. Believe yourself. Believe yourself. Confidently you need to bring up the things to the team. Hey, today I work on this item 8080. While I am working, to I click the today deals, the today deal page is not opening. Yeah, what you observe you are bringing to the team. So the team will check with that. Hey, yeah, Karthik, what you said is correct. Okay, please raise the issue. So you will raise the ticket. Understanding, right? But most of the people are not talk, they not communicate, they will not bring up to the team. They were waiting for someone else. They will think whether it is right or wrong. They're thinking inside whether it is right or wrong. If I reported, they will ask multiple questions. Why should I need to report? If you think like that, we cannot do the testing. Understanding, right? Because here all the minds are different. You're thinking different way, I'm thinking in the different way. So you need to bring up your thoughts, ideas and plans, and what you are observing the testing you need to bring up to the team. Communication is very, very important. 60% communication is required. Subject, forget about subject. Testing later also we can learn, but communication is very, very. The first question of your interview, can you introduce yourself? Tell me about your roles and responsibility. Myself is Karthik. I'm done the BTech in 2020, and I'm done with my manual courses. I'm good in the manual, and I done the internship for 6 months, so on project. So you can start like that. You can tell you very. They will check your communication. They will check your confidence level, and then slowly they will ask you what is testing types. Then slowly they will come up into the subject. Understanding, right? Okay, the main question is what is testing. Okay, so the tested developed any developed application, you need to check whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. You need to check whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. What is the objects of testing? What objects is required? Suppose really I want to go for a testing side, ensuring the quality. See what, why the companies are paying a lot of money for the testing. Without testing also we can launch the product in the market. Yes, I can launch the product without testing, but that product will not be served for a long time. Understanding, right? Because no one will test that application. I don't know whether it is work or not. Simply I raise the hand. I don't know whether it is work or not. I don't know, because we are not done the testing. Okay, so for the every product, testing is mandatory. What is called mandatory? Mandatory means what? You heard about that word, mandatory? Mandatory means what? Anybody?
Compulsory.
Absolutely.
Compulsory.
Absolutely compulsory. You need to test that application. Without QA certified, the build will not go. That is power of QA. You know, if you certified that build, yes, this is working as expected, if you say like that, then only that will go for into the market. That is power of QA. If you're not certified, they won't ready to launch the product in the market, because the lakhs of amount they're spending to develop that application. Once it is getting to the market, they will get a negative feedback. If the application is not working, it is hanging, it is loading, it is not working, so feedback will come like that, no one will use that application. So the testing is required for any product now, latest IoT, internet of things, AI, artificial intelligence, whatever it may be. In future robotics will come, the testing is required. You need to test that robot. Understanding, right? You need to test that robot
Yes, yes,
also with
yes.
sorry.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes, yes, I understood.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling, the importance of the testing. Without testing we cannot even you can launch any product without testing. Okay, that's very very important. That's the reason the testing point is very very important. Balu, can you put mute? Okay. One Sai Prasad, Sai, can you put mute? And Sai,
Yeah.
yeah, Sai, can you put mute, please? I'm doing forcefully mute. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is very very important here. Without testing we cannot launch the product. See, I'm telling the important. Don't compare the salary. He got a job, I'm not getting the job. Don't compare the jobs and don't compare the salary. Compare with your knowledge. Yeah, because that is very very important. He got a job, I'm not getting the job, means I cannot do anything. Okay, compare the knowledge, what he's having the knowledge and what you have the knowledge. And if you want to share your knowledge, you can share, or you can acquire the knowledge. Acquire means you are taking the knowledge from the working experience guy. Okay, that is, you need to always compare, not salaries, not jobs, not most of the people are asking what salary I will get. I don't have any answer for that. If you are strong in your skills, you are strong anything, you can demand how much salary you want. You believe or not, you can get equal salary, you can get more than developer salary, because you are a more such a dependent person, you are more such a skilled person, you are a more such a quality person. So you can demand like anything. I want 30 lakhs, I want 40 lakhs, I want 15 lakhs, I want 16 lakhs. When you can demand, if you have a quality person, 3 4 5 offers will with your hands, you believe or not, you will with your hand 4 5 offers will be there if you are quality person. That is what software, you can rise like anything. When you will require all the things, you are in good in subject, you are good in skills, you are latest upgrades, you are upgrading the latest technologies. This never end, guys. The software is never end. You need to read, like you need to upgrade yourself, manual, automation, API, security, performance, cloud. You need to upgrade yourself, then only your life will be there. Otherwise, only manual I will survive entire the life means it won't work. After manual, automation. After automation, APIs is very very important. After APIs, database. You like the database, you can go for the database. Or else you want to go with the networking side, you can go with, or you want to go with AI, artificial intelligence, you can go with that. Choose your platform. Okay, but IT will not be stop with one position. You can go with what are the latest technologies in the market. So make sure that ensuring the quality is very very important. And ensuring means what? Make sure. And ensuring the correctness means sometimes you need to follow the things, like whether it is working as per the design, as per the requirement, as per the specifications. We need to check robustness means a critical functionality should be also be tested. And this point is very very important. Ensuring the reliability. What is called reliability? Anyone? What is called reliability? You know what is reliable?
Dependence.
uh, User friendly. So simply we can say that whether this application is what user friendly or not. Make sure that your application should be accepted by end user. If your application is rejected by the end user means, then it's very difficult, like that won't serve in the market. Reliability means user friendly means what? See, most of the user friendly tabbing order, you know what is tabbing order? If we click the tab, it will go to the next. See,
Hmm.
most of the people are used what tab order. Okay, tabbing order should be work, means user friendly. If I see this product, see, it's very user friendly. It is price is given very with the large letters, so user can easily find this one. Like how user friendly the application is very very important. Now previous, if you see that any online application previously, you need to add your credit card, debit card, then only it will add to ask to log in. So nowadays all online application, it's never ask your credit card details, it not ask your first name or last name, anything. First they will ask you guest user, like you can log in and you can click any product and add to the card. When you are going to the payment mode, then only it will ask your personal details, like personal means what, it will ask your card details. Until unless it won't ask you any single information from you. That is what user friendly. And if you give the pin code, see, based on the pin code, if you enter the pin code, it will say that the product will be delivered within tomorrow, or within 5 days, or within 3 to 4 business hours. So they will give you proper information. Suppose as a businessman, I won't require tomorrow itself, I will check that product is tomorrow, the product is available, I will choose that product. If the product is not delivered tomorrow, then I can go with the alternative product. So that is what user friendly. Amazon is very user friendly. So that the reason the people are like that. Okay, there are many competitors will be there. Flipkart, Amazon, there are many competitors will be there. But why the people are, so tomorrow I want that one, simply I can enter my the what is called zip code, postal code. Based on the postal code, it will give complete information. I'm not signing, I'm not giving any credit card details, debit card details, I'm not giving anything. Just I'm giving only one number, zip code number, postal code, then it is saying the product is available or not. So this is what user friendly. OTP, what is called OTP? Now we are watching the movies at sitting at home by using subscribe the one channel, one subscribe the one OTP apps. Simply you are subscribing and sitting at home and you are watching what movie you like, you can watch with your family members. So these are all what user friendly applications. So that's the reason people are like that applications, understanding, right? So this is what reliability. Make sure that application is what user friendly or not. And this question that definitely they will ask you, ensuring the product is bug free before shipment and release. Okay, now question for you guys, can we do 100% of testing? Can we do 100% of testing?
No, no, no,
100% testing not possible.
no.
Not
No,
possible.
sir. No, sir.
No.
Not possible.
Then tell me why no. Tell me answer why no. Tell me your opinion. Yeah, why no?
Sir, because
You
no
said
one
no.
software can be tested 100% and by
Hmm.
client requirement. We can cover all the client requirement of a client, but we can't
Hmm.
test it 100%.
Good, good, excellent. What's your name?
Rahul
Rahul
Kumar.
Kumar. It's good. Yeah. Anyone others? Anyone want to share your opinion? Yeah. Anyone want to share your opinion, guys? This is a very good platform to share your thoughts and ideas. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So no one will test 100% of testing. What Kumari said is absolute correct, because no one will test 100%. We cannot cover all the points, right? There are a lot of use points will be there, you cannot test, but we can assure to the client, don't worry, we have a almost 8 testers will be there. There are excellent testers, they're certified testers. They will test already your application. Already we find some issues, we already fixed that issues, and already we retested that application, and we already did regression testing, and you can happily launch this product into the market. Then client will happily launch the product into the market. See what is the importance of testing. That is, without testing, we cannot launch the product in the market. Okay, so testing is very very important. So some other companies will be there, GenQ, Value Labs, Cognizant. There are completely, one product. There are hundreds of testers will be there. Hundreds of testers will be there. Can you put mute, Sujit? Hello, can you put mute? Yeah, thank you. So
Yes.
for every product, there are a lot of testers will be there. Okay, like 100 testers or 50 testers or 30 testers. One of the product I work in, one product, almost we are 40 testers. I'm doing good, but no one will recognize me on that time because everyone is doing good. Everyone is good. So that time it's very tough to recognize. Understanding, right? But lot of products, there are multiple testers will be there. Number of testers will be there because we want quality product. Why we are doing the testing? For a quality. Quality is very 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 important. Okay, without quality we cannot survey into the market. So why testing is done? For what purpose we are doing the testing? The testing is done to assure the quality. For what purpose we are doing the testing? Not for a bugs, not for a finding the issues. So we are testing is what is done to assure the quality. Quality is very 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 important. How can you say this is a quality product? How can you say this is the quality product? The people are saying that, right? Hey, this product is too quality. How can you say? By reviews, by using of your things, like you use that product and you are giving your reviews and all the things, right? So similarly, the qualities define the justification of all the requirements. So what are the requirements is given uh, in the document. If you cover all the requirements, definitely you will get what? A quality product. Definitely you will get what? A quality product. So how can you say this is a quality product? So they will give you requirements: requirement 1, requirement 2, requirement 3, requirement 4, requirement 5. Okay, if you fulfill all the requirements, you cover requirement 1, you cover requirement 2, you cover requirement 3, requirement 4 also you covered, requirement 5 is also covered, definitely you will get what? A quality product. What you will get? Definitely you will get quality product. Suppose you are not doing, you skip the requirement 3, you already skipped this one. Okay, Banu, can you put mute? So you
Yeah.
skip this, yeah, okay, you skip this requirement 3, then you cannot expect you will get a quality product. Understanding, right? How can you say this is the quality product? The quality is defined justification of all the requirements. They will give you a requirements, they will provide the requirements. If you fulfill all the requirements, definitely you will get what? Quality product. If you miss the requirements, I'm missing the requirement 3 and I'm missing the requirement 4, you cannot expect you will get a quality product. You will get a quality product. Understanding, right? So make sure, how can you say this is the quality product? The quality is defined justification of all the requirements. They will provide the requirements. Based on the requirements, you need to fulfill all the requirements, definitely you will get a quality product. Understanding, right? We are the food lovers. They say that, hey mama, the paradise is very good. Hey mama, this greenhouse biryani is too good. How can you say that one? They follow some requirement. They won't give 10 rupees or 20 rupees. They will charge like 300 or 400 for a plate or thing, but they will follow the quality levels. They will follow the quality level. Okay, what we can say, that 5-star, 2-star, 3-star, 1-star, how we are calling this one? Because they're following the quality levels. They need to follow the quality levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Which level you are working? Level 3 company, it's a middle level company. Level 5, Google is what? Level 5 company. They never compromise on the quality. They will always follow the quality, 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 quality. They have some
Srini,
process. They have, yeah,
Srini,
yeah. Go ahead,
can
Banu.
we, yeah, yeah. So can we call inspection as testing also, because inspectors come and check it, right? So can we call inspection as testing? See,
Yeah, we can call.
for example, if you go to the hotel, in case
Hmm.
some inspectors come to the hotel, he check all the requirements, right? So can we
Yes,
call
yes.
the inspection as testing?
Yeah, you can call, you can tell any terminology, but the inspector also need to check whether it is giving the quality food or not. That is also he will check, right? As per the given requirement, I order
Yeah,
something, based on that order, I'm receiving my order correctly or not, and also I need to get the quality food. Yeah, you can
okay,
tell any
okay.
word, anything, any relevant. You can tell your own definition also in interview. That is what I'm telling. Don't give the bookish knowledge. Testing is, don't say like that. You can tell any real example. You can tell anything into the interview.
Okay,
Understanding?
okay.
So
Yeah, yeah, sure.
you can test the, yeah, the inspection is going on. Food inspector will be there. They will check always, every time they will go with, and they will check the expiry date of the food, the samples. Then only they will give you
Yeah, yeah.
the permission of the quality, like 5 star, 5 star, 7 star. 7 star means what? You want to go with 7 star. That is the quality levels, like MNC level 5 companies. You will get all the bonus, shift allowances, and everything will come based on your levels. Level 1, level 2,
Okay,
level
okay,
3, level 4,
okay,
level
okay,
5. Level 5 is what?
okay.
MNC.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. Okay.
got it, got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
good, good, good. Okay, so we are required the quality. Make sure that in case in testing they will ask you for what purpose you are doing the testing, means you can tell that the testing is done for the quality. How you define the quality? The quality is defined the justification of all the requirements. So if you fulfill all the requirements, definitely you will get what? Quality product. Okay. Need for a software testing. Really, I want to go for a software side. So software testing side, I'm sorry, software testing side. So you need to always check these points: delivering the quality software product or not. Whether I'm delivering the, you are find the bugs, you cannot say that it is working as expected. You find the bugs means you need to report to the development team. So you need to check always whether I'm delivering the quality software product or not, and make sure the satisfy the user requirements. User is happy, our product will be increased like anything. Our product will be success in the market. And more, and making the software is more reliable. Just now we discussed, right, how user friendly the application or not, you need to check. And reducing the maintenance cost. This point is very, very important, guys. Once the product is launched in the market, too many issues you are getting, then your product is failed. So you are getting too many maintenance, so a lot of issues will come in the market. Again, once you launch in the product, there are too many issues you are getting. So you need to avoid, you need to reduce the maintenance cost. Once your product will launch, see, definitely 1 or 2 bugs will come, no doubt at all. Microsoft application also, it will comes bugs. If you go with any application also, it will come bugs. Understanding, right? But out of 10 bucks or 30 bucks means people will not be use that one. Okay, so bugs definitely they will come, but it should reduce that bugs. Second release that won't come, third release it won't come. You will need to check that. And avoiding the customer dissatisfaction. If the customers are gods, yes, that's true. Customers are gods. We are not there, the software is not there. If you buy the product, the revenue will come. If you use the product, the revenue will come. If you want three Office 365 softwares and all the things, we are paying the money, right? 3,000 bucks or 3,000, 4,000, we are paying that amount, and we are using. Now we are the students, we are using free trials and all the things. But in, if your organization, everyone is the product, everyone is licensed, everything is licensed product. Understanding, right? The customers are what, should happy with your product. If the customer are dissatisfied with your product, the product will not be no longer in the market. That's the reason nowadays, young stars, everyone is not, they're not looking for a job. They're looking for entrepreneurs, like they want to start their own business. They want to come up with a new application. They want to build their new ideas, new business, new thoughts. Youngsters nowadays, youngsters are what, there are a lot of ideas with them. Previously, if you want to build any software, you need to require infrastructure, you need to require servers, this and that. Now not required. If you take the cloud platform, you can build the application, you can deploy the application, and you can start your own business within a days. But proper plan. Without a plan, without requirements, without documentation, you cannot succeed. Money is there, I can buy the car tomorrow, means it won't work. If you go to the showroom, you say that sorry, the delivery is not there. You need have some plan. You have money, 2 crores, but you want to buy that tomorrow itself, means it won't work out. It won't work out. You need some plan. You need to visit the store and you need to put a request, and the request will goes to the warehouse, and warehouse will be intimate to the company. The company will be start delivery, and they will give the date. On the particular date only it will be delivered. There is a process in between the client and organization. The in the between the process will be there. You need to follow the process, then only it will be success. Understanding, right? So that is very very important. What is the advantage of testing? So they will ask you, what is the advantage of testing quality product? Definitely, if you test the application, what you will get? You will get a quality product, and you can say the client satisfaction. You can simply say that client satisfaction, and you can say that you will get a more business. The client will give you a lot of businesses, and finally we can say that it's a bug free product. Finally we can say that it's a bug free product. What is the advantages of testing? Quality product, client satisfaction, and more business, and we can say that it's a bug free product. See, testing, what is testing? The testing is done to assure the quality. Quality is defined the justification of all the requirements of the customer of the application. And what is the need for a software tester? Deliver whether I'm delivering the quality software product or not, satisfy the user requirements or not, making the software is more reliable or not, user friendly or not, and reducing the maintenance cost or not, and avoiding the customer dissatisfaction or not. And advantages, what is the advantages? We get a quality product. If we are good testers, definitely we'll get a good quality product, and client satisfaction will be there, and we will get a more business, and finally we can say that it's a bug free product. This question is very very important. What test quality is required? I want to go for a testing side. What is the qualities is required to me? No compromising on the quality. So if you compromising on the quality, you miss the bug. Suppose you saw the spelling mistake, you saw in the application there is a spelling mistake, but you are not reporting. Why should I need to report? This is very silly issue. If you think like that, we miss the quality. Image is not appearing in properly. Image is not, logo is not appearing in the properly, the alignment is not appearing in the properly, the line is not appearing in the properly. What are the issue you observe? You need to report. What are the, it is a silly issue or it's a any issue, what are the issue you find? You need to report it. Tomorrow we'll see, day after tomorrow I will report, means it won't work out. No compromise on the quality. If you compromising on the quality, you will not get the quality product. Understanding, right? There is a comma is not there, comma is not there, you need to report. Comma is not there, full stop is not there, you need to report that. So no compromising on the quality. And what is positive testing and what is negative testing? Can anyone tell me what is positive testing and what is negative testing?
थोड़ा देर बाद
Sorry, what is positive testing and what is negative testing? Can anyone, you know what is positive testing and what is negative testing?
the negative thinking means giving wrong credential providing to software, or giving good credential to the software. That is positive thinking.
Yes, absolutely,
Did
good,
we write
good.
that?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm
thank you.
absolutely right. See, that is what you need to tell in interview. If you are fresher also, your thought is good, your idea is good. Yeah, that's true, right? Positive testing means what? Positive. The positive means you are giving valid user and valid password. So that is what a positive testing. What is negative testing? Invalid credentials. I'm giving what? Invalid credentials. If you're giving the invalid credentials, that will goes to the, see now, are you able to see my screen, right, everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, if I give the positive values, username and password, and if I click login button, that both are positive values, like positive valid username, valid password. If I click this one, it will go to the respective page. Okay, dashboard page. What page I'm able to see? Dashboard page. So this application will do live. Okay, after the completion of the course, we'll do this application completely in the live. Okay, now we got it logout. Okay, I'm going to the logout. Now I'm giving invalid username ABC. I'm giving something ABC password also. I'm giving ABC. These are invalid username, invalid password. Now I'm clicking the login button. See, it is not allowing me. Incorrect user ID or a password. So this is what we need to do, both things, positive testing as well as negative testing also you need to do. So we need to do what, both things, what is negative testing and what is positive testing. So positive testing means what, you need to give the positive data like in valid user ID and valid password. Because sometimes what will happen, if user will not give correct user ID and correct password, suppose he given invalid, still he also going to the dashboard page, means that's a completely wrong, right? Because even I'm giving invalid password and invalid user ID, even though I'm getting this page, then it's a bug, right? No need to ask anybody. So it's a bug, you need to report directly. Invalid user ID, invalid password also I'm able to log in. That's a big bug. Okay, so you need to immediately report it to the development team. So
Sir, in case we don't insert anything and we get the page, that also is a bug, no, sir?
yeah, that is also bug, right? Yeah, that
Yeah,
is bug.
in case we don't give a user ID and password also, it goes to that page, for example, then it's a bug.
Yeah, that's a bug, right? Yeah, you are giving null value. We can say that null value. I'm giving null value here. So both are, I'm giving null values. And now I'm trying to click a login button. So it is going to directly to that page, means that is a bug.
Okay.
So it is validating, right? See, it is what
Yeah.
validating. Please enter the user ID. Yeah, it is validating. So you need to test all the things. That is what we, very interesting things. Testing we can enjoy like anything. Okay, but you need to understand the requirements. Okay, good.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah, so negative testing and positive testing is very, very important. And analytical skills, like you need to analyze, you cannot do blindly. So now you ask me, if I give the null value, what will happen? See, you are thinking. So analytical skills is also is very, very important. Not only going with one way, you can try with multiple ways. Valid, invalid, invalid, valid, both are invalid, both are valid, both are invalid. So you can give the multiple combinations. You need to check how is the application is working. Okay, and one more thing, finally I can tell you, patience. Testing is required lot of patience. You need to require more documentation, more scenarios you need to test. Each and every line you need to test. You need to check each and everything. So patience is required. Patience is very, very, very important. You cannot say that today I will find 5 bucks. Okay, you cannot promise to anybody like that. So lot of patience is required while testing the application. You need to check each and every component. You need to check each and every field. You need to check the spelling mistakes or alignments, each and everything you need to check. So here the patience is required. And finally I can tell you one thing, communication is very, very important. And returning skills, you need to write a mails, a simple mail. Okay, don't write complicated mail. Simple, hi all, today I'm working on 8080, I found the issue, and please find the screenshot. See how simple mails you are writing. Because communication is very, very important. You find the issue but you are not able to communicate, then it's a big problem. Okay, so the communication is very, very important. Finally I can say you, if you want to become a good tester, what are the requirements? Technical skills is required, some knowledge, technical skills, analytical skills, thinking knowledge, attitude, body language is very, very important. While you're reporting the issue, you need to politely, you need to say like sometimes your developer is not accepted your issue. You are reporting the issue but developer is not accepting. In that case, what you will do? Anybody? You are reporting the issue but developer is not accepting, so what you will do? Do you
Need to be
understand my
calm.
question?
Need to be calm and try to and try to explain him the issue properly.
But still he is not accepting,
Then we have to report to his superior and
uh, good, good, good.
report as the superior, and we have to explain him the what do you say? We have to explain the importance of the issue.
Yes, absolutely good. Excellent. Yes, excellent. Good. Hmm. That's true, right?
Screenshots.
Yeah, screenshot. That excellent. Who said? Yeah, screenshots is very, very important. Okay. You need not put a com. You can tell them, and you need to give the screenshot. The screenshot is the proof, right? So I don't want to argument. I don't want to fight. I don't want to show my attitude. Simply, what you said is correct. I can tell them this is a bug. I'm finding this issue, and I will check with my colleagues. My colleagues are also getting the same thing, and I will show simple way. I can show the screenshot. I put a mail to loop everyone. This is what I observed. Excellent. See, that is required for an interview. They will ask the question. You need to tell very think and tell that answer correctly. Some people are asking interview questions. What is interview questions? Don't ask that questions. Okay. Most of the people, the starting class only, they will ask you, give me interview questions. Every question is interview question only. Manual, they will check you what is positive testing, what is negative testing. If you want really interview question, Google it. Thousands and lakhs of questions will come, but no use that one. Okay. In manual interview, they will ask logically how you people are thinking and how your thinking set, how strong you are in, and what the way of communication. The communication is very, very important. How you are answering, how the way of you talking, body language, everything they will check. Okay, good. Passion, yes, you need to love any job, whatever it may be. I'm a delivery boy. If I love that job, I can enjoy in the delivery job. If I am a car driver, if I love that job, I can enjoy in on that field. Similarly, if you love your testing job, yes, I want to become a good tester. I want to prove myself. I want to find more bugs. Then you will get a lot of respect. Okay, developers will come with you. Hey Karthik, let me know if you find any issues, because you are such a good tester, such a excellent, like you never compromising on the quality, you never miss anything. So definitely everyone will come with you. Okay, so the passion, you need to love that things, and attitude, body language, and productivity. So this is very, very important. Productivity means what? How much time you are saving. The productivity is very, very important. You need to save the time. Okay, so you are giving a proper screenshot, and you are giving proper steps, and you are giving each and everything to the developer. Then developer says that I'm very happy because you provide all the things, and developer say that I'm going to fix that issue. And some people are never give any description, they never write anything, simply they will give a screenshot. So it won't work out. So you need to give the proper explanation, you need to give a proper screenshot and steps to reproduce, you need to provide all the things. So it will save the time, it will save the time, and you can save the more productivity. Okay, and I told you, right, communication is very, very important. Communication is very, very important. Okay, anything else, guys? Any questions?
I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
This training is only for freshers or experienced candidates? That means fake
No,
experience.
yeah, you can go with 3 years of experience, 3 to 4 years of experience. I covered both, like basic level and advanced level. So the basic level means, I told you, right, if you are in the fresher level, you can go with the fresher level. If you want to go for 3 to 4 years of experience also, you can go with 3 to 4 years of experience, because here we are covering the agile methodology, how project will come, and how we can deliver the project, and we are also covering with the Jira, how we create the issues, and how the process will be gone, like how the testing team will pick that items and how we move to that item. We will discuss that point. And also we do the live application. So live application means what? It's a dummy application, but we will do the complete application like stock inventory management. So if you do this one, definitely you will get a real time experience. Like in the real time also we'll do the same thing, but at least at least one application, you will get hands-on experience, like how to create a stock, how to create a suppliers, and how to create the purchases and customers and sales and outstanding of this one. So we did this project, and not only this one, we will go with some document kind of BRS document and SRS documents with a few projects like insurance and banking applications. So you definitely will get 3 to 4 years of experience. No doubt you can go with 3 to 4 years of experience. And previous
We will be
batches
doing
also.
some live projects, sir. Sorry. So
Live
we'll be doing.
live project means yeah, we will do this application completely. Stock inventory management.
So
This
do
is
I
only
get
live.
any
one or
knowledge?
Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, go one by one. Yeah.
so there will be insurance management system application also. It will be
Yeah, yeah, that's a documents. Okay, these all are documents. Okay, so how
there. Okay.
insurance project we'll see the FRS document. This is very, very important. Functional requirement specification, how documents will come. We'll see all the things, but one application will do the live means what? Don't say that you working in this application. No, I'm giving one application, how we will do end to end. So from the stock, how we can create, and how we create the suppliers, how we can create the purchases, and what is outstanding, we will do complete this application. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's a dummy application, but we are doing end to end, like completely one modules. Each module we are covering for suppliers. So how the suppliers will work, how the purchases will add, how stocks will be added. So if you gain this knowledge, so tomorrow, suppose you go with 3 to 4 years of experience, 2 to 3 years of experience, suppose tomorrow they will give you any application, you need not to fear, and you can work on that application.
Okay.
Any question?
Any idea?
Go ahead, guys. Yeah.
What is the duration of this course?
Max 20 days. There is, in weekends also we are planning to take in weekends also. So maximum it will be finished within 20 days. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt that we
Yeah.
can complete in 20 days.
Sorry, come again. Means what? Yeah, we can
What?
complete in. Yeah, we can complete it within 20 days. Yeah, we can did it. But based on your interest, see, you are putting lot of interest. It will expand 2 to 3 days more. 2 to 3 days.
Sir, what will be the timing, sir?
The same timing, 7 to 8, 8:30, like 8:15 up to 8:15 we will discuss, and 15 minutes I will ask the questions, and you can so it's a purely interaction sessions. We can discuss your questions and all the things.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Today,
And including projects 10 days, including
Come in.
projects 20 days or what, sir?
Yeah, project 20 days. Yeah, project will take you almost to like 3 to 4 days. That's it, not much more than that.
Okay.
See, the
Including
main
that,
thing, yeah, including that, because we are spending more time, right? See, here I'm not giving notes to write a notes, and I'm not keeping that slides and all the things. Every material will be given to you, and everything we are coming with the examples. We are giving with the examples. Without example, I cannot tell anything, because usability, I show you tabbing order and all the things. So every topic will goes with the examples. So you will cover each and everything. No need to be notes. I will give the complete what we are seeing in the slide. The same notes will get it, and the video recording also you will get it. So you can go with the video recording and all the things. So we can complete max 20 days. We can complete it.
so today's
Sir,
first class.
Sorry, yeah, there is no demo, guys. You cannot judge me like one day is excellent. No, so I'm not like the demo classes. Tomorrow we are going with a new topic. What is that? What are the testing types? Okay, there is no demo. There is no add-ons. It is a continuous. Whether one student or a two student, I'm least bothered that. I'm not a commercial guy, so I'm not count the students also. Tomorrow we will go with software testing. What is white box testing and what is black box testing? So there is no add-ons in this session. We will continue the same session. Our target is what, within 20 days we need to complete, and it is the short uses of the guys who are looking for a job. Okay. Yeah, we can
Sir,
complete
this is
within.
this
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, this class only for manual testing.
Yeah,
I want
manual.
to learn manual and I want to learn manual and automation both, sir.
Yeah, so you can choose. So you want to look for. I'm not forcing to join this one. So manually, if you cover within 20 days, then you can join with automation, right? You can join. See, in my batch is also going on automation in the morning batch. It's an already half of the parts is already completed. Okay, we'll see in future, like coming days, if it is possible, we can start automation also. But I'm not giving the promise because automation will have a lot of like almost 30 days is required, 30 to 40 days is required, and lot of practice is also required. So now we are only concentrated on manual. It's purely on manual. In coming days we'll see if it is working, we can do it with automation also. Yeah.
Srini, actually, I'm a working girl.
Okay.
I'm working in a company. Where I'm working in a as I, I'm in testing team. But once I want to learn testing and then go back to testing team because I am little bit because see actually I'm an MBA finance graduate. I'm an MBA finance graduate. I have 8 years of experience. 8 years of experience.
Oh, good. Okay.
Like actually, I was in insurance, then I was in finance, and then due to some personal issues, I had to quit my job. Again, gap has come. So like everything got mixed up. Now presently, I don't know where to go. So I was planning to take this manual testing course and go back in. Like I said, either get a new job or go to the previous team. Only was thinking about it. So whether testing is a good option for me, right?
Yes, it depends. It's the based on your interest. Say you have 8 years of experience, you can convert it into the 5 years into the manual. You can go, you can try, you can take a risk. You can, without risk we cannot do anything. You can take a risk. 5 years you have a good experience in finance, you have a good experience in insurance. You get the knowledge and put into everything into the manual and tell them I have a good experience in finance and take the fake experience with. I cannot say all the things, but I'm telling as a friendly, friendly wise, you can take the consultancy, good consultancy. You can make it as a 5 years of experience, and you can try it in the market. Let's see your luck.
Actually, I want like for any like I'm thinking whether should I be in this organization or should I don't know. Just thinking about it. But as you said, for me it's not because I'm an MBA finance graduate. I don't have IT experience, so whether testing is a good option, right?
Anyone, even degree person, anyone you can go that one. It's not related to the only this computers. No, in previous batches they got a lot of opportunities. They are already well settled. They got a jobs also.
Because in the organization they're asking whether I'm having SQL knowledge or not, because they're following SQL data. They were asking me to learn SQL also. That's why I'm asking you whether.
Yeah, you can learn that also, right? You can start SQL also. The SQL, how many days? It's almost 10 to 15 days, not much more than that. You can start because they're giving opportunity.
I need to know backend as well as front end also, but that will be difficult for me because I'm working as well as I have to work in house. No, I have to work at home also, right? So it's difficult for me to do everything together. So should I first learn SQL and go for testing, or should I go for testing first and then go for SQL?
No, you
what
can
is a better option, Srini?
Yeah. You can start manual as a best suggestion. Or SQL, it's not required. You can go with your self-learning also. There are a lot of websites will be there. They will ask you minimum questions like joints, inner joint, outer joint, left outer joints, and you need to write a table like select. There are few commands, select star from the table, and few commands will be there. You can start with your self-learning also. I know as a working woman, it's very difficult, but nowadays, say struggle will comes only one time. Once you struggle this days, you will get good results in future. Yeah, you will become a comfort zone.
Okay. So as you suggest, testing would be a better option for me, right?
Yeah, you need to think. It's not be like that. Don't believe on me. Believe yourself. I said yes means you cannot join. You
Yeah.
believe yourself. Think about twice and twice. What
Okay.
is my capabilities? What is my challenges? Okay, don't think on me. As a sir said, I will join means I don't like these things. Think
Yeah, yeah.
about where is the good opportunities. In my assumption, you have a good knowledge in insurance, you good knowledge in finance, so you can easily settle in the marketing, like a testing side. Okay,
Okay, okay,
believe,
sure.
believe
Sure.
yourself. Believe
So,
yourself.
Thank
hello,
you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening.
Actually,
Srini.
I
This
joined
is
20 minutes late because I was also in the office, and later on I got the link, so I saw
Srini.
it later. So, can you please introduce once, like, because I am a fresher,
Mm-hmm.
like like the previous girl said, she was also fresher. I don't know, but I am
Mm-hmm.
a fresher in testing, and I have working experience in banking sector for 6 years. Okay.
Okay.
So I have
60.
worked in the worked in the softwares like Finacle and DLMS deliverable
Uh-huh.
management system. So I've already worked on those uh,
Okay.
inventory stock management, like the
Mm-hmm.
uh, demo software that you have,
Yeah.
you will
Yeah. Yeah.
be
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
testing
Yes. Yes.
the.
Yeah. Yes.
So
But
I had a few questions, sir. I
yeah.
mean,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
will will I be treated as fresher or experienced in the market if I do this course?
Yeah.
And
That is.
second is, what are
Mm-hmm.
the extra skills I will need to develop? Third is, what are the opportunities for me to work on? I mean, testing is a vast profile, right? We have
Yes.
various domains. So I
Yes.
am
Yes.
concentrating on banking domain only because I have banking operations
Excellent.
knowledge.
Yes.
So can you please clarify these
Yeah,
doubts?
yeah, yeah, it's good. First question you asked me whether I go with the experience or a fresher level. Yeah, you can go
Right,
with
sir.
the experience level also. You can put 2 to 3 years, and you already have
Mm-hmm.
a domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means what? Banking knowledge. You already have the banking knowledge, right? You need to choose a good consult. You need to choose a good consultancy. Sai, can you put mute? Sai, Sai, can you put mute? Okay, so sorry, I put forcefully mute. Okay, so you can go with experience level. Okay, again, it's your wish. Okay, you want to go with your experience level or a fresher level, but this course is
Mm-hmm.
completely with both like a fresher level and experience level. But I suggested you can go with experience level because you have a 6 years of gap, so you can go with experience level only. So choose the good consultancy and make it as a documents, each and everything documents, and you can try with experience. And the second question, what extra to skills is required? Yeah, if you learn the previous lady already told, right, that SQL,
Mm-hmm.
now sometimes they will ask you SQL queries also. Some organization, not all the organizations, so they will ask you SQL. And if you have a time, Java is
Mm-hmm.
required, Java is required, and
So,
automation is required.
what will you suggest if I want to go with the banking domain testing only?
Yeah,
What will you suggest, sir?
yeah, that is what I'm telling, that you need
Mm-hmm.
have some
Mm-hmm.
basic knowledge, not complete knowledge on SQL. Basic knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
how tables and what is the records will be there. So SQL
Mm-hmm.
knowledge is a little bit required. And if you want to go for automation, like you can start
Mm-hmm.
after completion of the manual immediately. You need to start automation, like
Okay.
Selenium with the WebDriver. And my suggestion is what, start with Java also. Java is very
Okay.
important. If you start Java, automation, manual, and your profile is too strong now because you know the manual, you know the automation, you know the Java, you know the basic SQL commands. And in case still you have a time, start learning Linux also. Linux command, basic commands, not all the commands, basics Linux commands.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That is required.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but you need to plan according to the plan. See, you cannot learn all the things, right? So 20 days after
Mm-hmm.
you completing the manual. Okay, again start with automation, 30 days of the time, because job will not come immediately. Tomorrow you will not get a job, so you need to have some plan. So you at least 2 months you put a goal, and after the 2 months you will definitely achieve that point. Okay, it's not like
Like,
after completion of the course immediately you won't get it. You need to trial with the manual profile, and you also parallelly you need to try with the automation profile. Yeah.
Like I can quote that I have working experience in banking. So can I
Yeah, you
quote
can.
that I have testing
You can.
experience also?
Yeah, you can code. You can code.
Okay.
You can.
Okay.
You can go with Genune also. I have good experience in banking sector, but I want to switch to software. So, but
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
if you go with like that, your salary point will be get down. Like you treat it as a fresher. But take a risk, go with an experience, then you will get the same salary, right? 7.5 or 6.5 or 5.5. No, I'm talking about the, if you have no concern about the salary, then you can go with the fresher level only. See,
My
automatically your salary
concern
will
is
be
both
increased.
that my experience should also not be reset, and my
Hmm.
salary package should also not get reset because I'm
Yeah.
changing sectors totally. From
Yes, yes,
banking sector, I'm coming to the quality sector, quality
yes,
testing sector, right?
yes. You can go with the quality come BA also, business analyst.
Okay.
If your communication is good and you are in good in the way the communication and all the things, you can put the BA come testing, business
Okay.
analyst come QA.
And
Is it clear?
one more silly question. Maybe it
Yeah, no
sounds,
problem, no
but
problem, no
are
problem.
there are there scope of is there a scope of work from home in this like QA and BA?
Yeah, no, anyone now old is working with completely work from home, right? I'm also working from work from home.
Okay.
From software field, everyone is working from. See, you are in related to networking or you are in major support, you are in dependent, then you need to go to the office. Not only you need to go, not all the employees, right? So your project is required some dependencies, then you need to go to the office. See, I'm working from the last 6 years. I'm working from home only
Okay.
because we are directly reporting to the US team. So I'm not.
Okay.
India is what they will provide the infrastructure. So I need to go to my office and I need to sit with in my place only. But I need to communicate with my on-site team only, right? What the work is given to me, I need to complete that work. That's it. They never see where you are working, where you will sit, what dress. They never see all the things. They never encourage all the things. They will check your quality of work, whether the work is completed or not.
Means work from home is possible if I want to choose
Yeah,
it as a career. I
yeah,
can,
you can. Lot of companies nowadays they are not
because I
allowing to come
stay
to the.
actually I stay with my husband in a remote area where I cannot find any IT sector, so I will need to work from home only. That is
You know,
why this
you
is
can do
also
freelancing also. If you are in good, you can
okay.
start your own work. If you know
Okay,
the
okay.
testing, you can start your freelancing projects also. Do you know, right?
Sir,
What
I
is
have a doubt.
freelancing?
Okay. Yeah, 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 sir. I know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. That
Yeah,
would be a
thank you.
great help.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Class time is
Sir,
1 hour or 2 hours.
Class is not
sir,
2 hours.
actually,
2 hours is boring time. Even I cannot tell the 2 hours. Like it's completely boring. Like 1.5 hour. Yeah, class is 1.5 hour. Yeah.
Fee structure? You didn't mention any
Uh,
fee structure.
no, I am not. You can talk with that one. The same what we are taking the regular amount only. You can talk with the front office. You will get complete details. Okay, thank
sir,
you.
I have
Hello,
a doubt.
Srini.
Sir,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, with this, after completion of this 20 days of course, we
Mm.
can get a job through this knowledge only, or we have to learn
No, no, no.
automation.
See, automation is required. No, I'm telling that if you go with this manual position, you that's this knowledge is enough.
Okay.
If you are going with manual position, this knowledge is enough. But automation you need to learn, right? Again, you want to go with automation side, you can. So that's the reason. Um, First we need to complete the manual, and then you can go for the automation. Okay, plan
So there is
yourself
no
how. uh,
parallel courses like automation with manual.
is there in the other guy is saying that so this is what completely a fast track we want to complete within 20 to 25 days. That's it. Okay, it is benefit for the employees like who are so you can get the Actually this course is regular is what 30 days, okay, more than 30 days, okay. So now we are giving within 1.5 hour every day, 1.5 hour we are trying to complete the course as soon as possible, because you get an opportunity in manual, you need not wait, right? If seriously you want
Yes.
to parallelly means go with manual and start automation tomorrow. Check is there any automation classes will be there or not, check with that automation classes and immediately join. No need
Okay,
required
sir.
to wait 30 days. So it's a
Sir, will you
manual.
provide any like jobs like there
No,
is
no, no, no,
no?
no. It's not possible. Yeah. See, think you are a businessman. How you will give that one? No, we cannot give any job assistances and anything. You need to. You need. See, I will tell you. Many of the students got the opportunities. Once the completion of the job, they will prepare the resume. They need to post the resume in Naukri. Every day they apply the jobs. Every day they apply the jobs. Uh, every day they apply the job and they will take their opportunities. So here we can tell you, I can tell you there is a opening, so there is a opening, sir, but we cannot tell that there is a job, okay, you will get it.
Okay.
We can give, I can tell you where the jobs will be there, okay, if I have an
Okay.
information I can pass it on.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
So,
so, so one more thing, where can I find all the details, like when to attend the training and how
You
to
can,
apply for it?
yeah,
Because
you
I did
can,
not attend the introduction. Sorry.
means what you're asking,
Means
job
no, no, not job. About
courses.
this training, when can I start attending this training, and where can I find the timing details and all the basic details of attending the same?
Yeah, I think you can call with the Durga Soft, like you can call the front office. They
I
will give.
have Nikhil sir's number.
Yeah, you can call and you can get the
Okay.
information like front office number. They will give you. Otherwise, you can mail them also. You got a link, right? You can get. You can mail
Yes,
them.
my cousin sister has suggested me this actually. She did it from Durga Soft only.
Good,
So
excellent.
I'll ask her. Okay.
Okay,
No
no
issues, sir.
problem. Yeah, good,
Thank you.
good. Thank you.
Shrini, 1 minute, sorry. Will we get certificate after the course, Shrini?
No, what is use of giving of certificate? Tell me. My certificate is valid means I will print out and I will give you. But no, not required. No,
Okay.
no one will ask you this. Certification is different. You want to done with testing certification, that will be useful. But course certification is waste. I'm sorry.
Okay, course certification will not be given.
No, not given. You want, you
Okay.
can, they will provide. Because of they will provide, but it's not required. No one will ask you that certificate.
Okay. Other thing, Shrini, will this testing course work for me in abroad also? For example, overseas also, will it work overseas also?
Yeah, there also the testing is the same, right? They
Yeah.
won't do a different testing. The same testing. What we done, they also do the same thing.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
So
Shrini, thank you.
How Linux is helpful for manual testing? How Linux is helpful
Uh,
for maintaining
yeah,
manual testing?
yeah, yeah, it's a good question. Yeah. So sometimes some deployments or some we involved in installation testing. Sometimes we involved on installations and environment testing. So sometimes we need to copy the data from one environment to the another environment. So not all the projects, a few projects. So they will see, that is what extra skill. If you have that one, then they will choose according to the profile. There's Linux projects which are they're working with the Linux environment, they will choose your profile. Okay, they're very useful for Linux commands. There are a lot of projects they're still using the Linux and all the things. PowerShell, PowerShell is also one of the important. So we cannot learn all the things. That is what I'm trying to say. Once you get into the job, manual is not only a part. Once you get into the job, they will give you a lot of tools we can learn. When I started my career, I started with manual only. Now I can know Python, I can know automation, I can know Cucumber. I started TestNG, started page objective model, I started Cucumber. Lot of things I gained in the organization, in deploying, how to deploy the projects, how to build will form, what is DevOps, Azure. So all these comes onto the organization. Once you get into that project, you will gain more and more and more and knowledge. Okay, what is APIs? APIs is very, very important. If you are want to go with the APIs, that's very, very important. After manual only you can do, because without manual we can't do automation. At least you need to understand how the application is working. If you know how the application is working, then you can do automation. Most of the people are thinking automation will done, I will get a job. Means no. At least you need to run at least one time manually how the application is work. Then only we can go for the automation. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good. Okay,
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all.
thank you. Thank you guys. We'll see on tomorrow. The tomorrow we'll see what is the testing type. Very, very interesting. What is who will do the white box testing and who will do the black box testing, and why we can call
Okay.
it as it's a structural and why we can call it as a functional testing. We'll see on tomorrow. Okay. At
Okay,
sharp
thank you.
7. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for your
Okay,
time.
thank you,
See you
Srini.
tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.